Dear students, in 12.1, third question is, there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in same color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the walls are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in the color. So area is asked. Now let the triangle be ABC. So in this triangle, one of the side A is equal to 11 meter, the other side B is equal to 15 meter, and third side C is equal to 6 meters. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides, that is equal to A plus B plus C, and semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So S is equal to 11 plus 15 plus 6 upon 2. This is equal to 26 plus 6 is 32 upon 2, that is equal to 16 meters. Now according to Heron's formula we have, according to Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to under root in bracket S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this is equal to under root 16 into 16 minus 11, 16 minus 15 and 16 minus 6. So this is equal to under root 16 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 10. 16 multiplied by 15 is 1. So this is equal to, now I have already told you, factorize in such a way that we will get a perfect square number. 16 is a perfect square number, so keep it as it is. This is equal to under root 16, then 5 is a prime number, cannot be factorized, 1 is 1 only, 5 into 2. So this is equal to 16 comes out as a 4. Among the two 5s, 1 comes out as 5. 2 is only 1, so it will remain inside the root. So answer is 20 root 2 square meters. So this much is the area. So area painted in the color is, thus area painted in color is 20 root 2 meter square. Fourth question is, find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. So we are given a triangle with two sides. One of the side is 18 centimeter, other side is 10 centimeter. So let the triangle be ABC. In triangle ABC, what is given to us? AB is equal to, let this AB is equal to A, be equal to 18 centimeter. Then AC is equal to B is equal to 10 centimeters. And BC is equal to C is not given to us. But we are given a perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. Perimeter P is equal to A plus B plus C. This is given to us as 42 centimeters. So from this we can find the value of C. We have 18 plus 10 plus C is equal to 42 centimeters. Therefore C is equal to 42 minus 18 plus 10 is 28. This is equal to 12 minus 8 is 4. 1 carries, so 14 centimeters. So C, value of C is 14 centimeter. Now according to Heron's formula we have, according to Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to under root S in bracket S minus A in bracket S minus B in bracket S minus C. S is semi-perimeter, so S is equal to P upon 2, that is equal to, perimeter is given to us as 42 upon 2, that is equal to 21 centimeter. Putting all the values, we will get area of triangle is equal to, under root 21 minus 18 then in next bracket 21 minus 10, and in third bracket 21 minus 14. So this is equal to under root 21, 21 minus 18, 3, 11 and 7. So this is equal to 21 is 3 into 7 and this is 11 into 7. This is 21 is equal to 3 into 7. This 3 was left. So from these two 3's 1 will come out. From these two 7's 1 will come out. And 11 will remain inside. So answer is 21 root of 11 centimeters square. Last answer must be written in words. Thus the area of triangle is thus area of triangle is 21 root of 11 centimeters square. Next question. Sides of triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So we are given ratio of sides. Ratio of sides is ratio of sides of a triangle is equal to 12 is to 17 is to 25. It means there exists some common multiplier. So let the multiplier be x. Let common multiplier be x. Let common multiplier be x. Therefore, sides of triangle will be 12x, 17x and 25x. Therefore, we can say that A is equal to 12x, B is equal to 17x and C is equal to 25x. This can be shown in the figure as something like this: 12x, 17x. This is a triangle ABC in which A's value is 12x. Now, we are given the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. Perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C, that is equal to 540 centimeters. This is given to us. By putting the values, you will get 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540 centimeters. Therefore 54x is equal to 540. It means x is equal to 10 centimeter. Common multiplier it is x is equal to 10. Now x is equal to 10, therefore the sides are, therefore A is equal to 120 centimeters, then B is equal to 170 centimeters and C is equal to 250 centimeters. Now it means S is equal to sum of, which is a perimeter, semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C upon 2, that is equal to, we will get 120 plus 170 plus 250 upon 2, or we can say it is perimeter upon 2. Perimeter is already given 540, so this is equal to 270. So we have got semi-perimeter. Now area of triangle is, according to Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to under root S in bracket S minus A in bracket S minus B in bracket S minus C. So this is equal to 270 in bracket 270 minus 120 in bracket 270 minus 170 in bracket 270 minus 250. So this is equal to under root 270. This is equal to 150. This is equal to 100. And this is equal to 20. Now this is 9 into 30. Okay, we will have to factorize this. 9 into 15 into 2. 30. 39s are 270. Then 15 tens are 15 into 10. 100 is a perfect square number. This is 10 into 2. So let us take out the common numbers. 9 will come out as 3. Then among the two 15s, 1 will come out as 15. Then from two 2's, 1 will come out as 2. Then from the two 10's, 1 will come out as 10. And from 100 we will get 110. So this is equal to 15 3s are 45, 45 2s are 90, multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10, that is equal to 30900 centimeters square. Sixth question. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal side is 12 centimeters. Now we are given the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Means two sides are equal and each of the equal sides are 12 centimeters. So this side is 12 centimeter, this side is 12 centimeter, and total perimeter is given to us. Perimeter is equal to here. In this case, we are given A is equal to 12 centimeter one of the side. The other congruent side is also 12 centimeter. C is not given to us. We are given the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. That is perimeter P is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Sorry, A plus B plus C. That now we are given perimeter is equal to 30 centimeters. This is given to us as 30 centimeters. So after putting the values, you will get 12 plus 12 plus C is equal to 30 centimeters. It means C is equal to, this will be 24. If you carry to that side, it will be negative. So this is equal to 6 centimeters. Now semi-perimeter, S is equal to perimeter upon 2, that is equal to 30 upon 2, that is equal to 15 centimeters. So according to Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to under root S in bracket S minus A in bracket S minus B in bracket S minus C. So this is equal to under root 15 in bracket 15 minus 12, in second bracket again 15 minus 12, in third bracket we have 15 minus 6. So this is equal to under root 3 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 9. This is 9. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So please note, from the 2 3's 1 will come out. From the 2 3's 1 will come out. So we will have 3 into 3 and inside 1 3 and 1 5 will be left. So it means answer is area of triangle is, thus area of triangle is 9 root of 15 centimeters square.